Okay, hello. This is my video for our next check-in number 11. So this week I've just been continuing to work on chapter number 16 and learn the material there that has to do with the forces and accelerations of rigid bodies, or the kinetics part, and we're looking at that only in the planar motion. Since the last check-in, I probably spent around 8 hours working on this course. I was able to spend a good section of today just studying chapter 16 and reviewing. So far I have completed all of the videos that you've posted for chapter number 16. I finished the first couple videos in the last check-in, and since then I did all of the example problems that you have posted there, and that really helped solidify a lot of the equations and help me understand the procedure to solve some of those problems. Some of those videos talked about just the equations in kinetics and when we can simplify the force equations, force equals mass times acceleration, in the x and y direction, as well as the moment equation for special cases when there's like a fixed point, or the point you choose is actually the center of mass. And so like I said, a lot of those problems really help me understand the procedure for solving those, and some of the little tricks and things that help you to know what equations to write in order to create a system of equations that will allow you to solve for all of the unknowns that you have. So as far as the homework that I've completed for chapters number 16, I've finished the first 3 problems in that homework assignment, and I'm hoping to just finish all of those up tomorrow and get ready for the quiz that we have on Thursday for this chapter. So the problems that I looked at in the homework, they kind of had a like framing or different shapes. One of them had a triangle, and those would be rotating, and we had to solve for things like the reactions at specific points, as well as the acceleration of the rod or the triangles. Or the last problem that I did was the wheels, the 2 wheels or discs. Something I've noticed which was pretty interesting is a lot of the problems that I see in the homework, as well as the problems that I completed in your videos that I worked through, they were problems, the diagrams were problems that I had seen in chapter 15 when we were looking at the kinematics, but we were just taking this one step further, and now the questions are asking for the velocities and the accelerations and the forces. And so we're kind of analyzing those and taking it one step further and looking at the kinetics part of that. So I also spent some time today reviewing and reading some of the textbook for chapter number 16, just reviewing a lot of the equations in there, and I also did one of the sample problems. It had a van, and it was pretty similar to the car example that you did in your video, so that was pretty helpful to have their step-by-step explanation as well. But so far, chapter 16 is going pretty well. I feel like I understand this material, and the time that I spent learning chapter 15 really helped prepare me for chapter 16 here, and the planar motion portion of that is making a lot more sense to me. But I hope to be able to finish the rest of the homework tomorrow, and then get ready for that test, or the quiz that's coming up this Thursday. But that's all for chapter number 16 and this check-in. Thank you for listening.